Welcome to my channel on terrace gardening or container gardening from a small green and beautiful city of Sangli in Maharashtra. Let us take a look at this flowering kit that we have previously seen, including marigolds, balsam, zinnia, sunflower. All these varieties I have planted in a seedling tray. So let us see the update on the germination rate of these flowering seeds. I have germinated these seed indoors using the seedling tray, as you can see here. So this particular seedling tray has 98 cells. So 98 seeds can be sown and germinated simultaneously. The seedling cell will have holes punched at the bottom side to drain excess water. The potting medium has to be used for the seedling trays for seed germination. So in this case I have used coco peat. Coco peat is a shredded coconut coir which is abundantly available in India at very cheap rate. Coco peat has excellent properties for water retention and soil softening as well as aeration of the soil, and for seed starting this is an excellent mix. So I have used coco peat here. You can see some of the seedlings coming out from the cells. Few seedlings I have transplanted already and few seedlings are waiting for the transplant. One of the advantage of this seedling tray is that you can start the seed germination process indoors, and later you can transplant these seeds. If these trays are not available, then the second method, the direct sowing of the seeds in the container, that can be used. Let us see the Let us see now how the transplanting of the plants can be done. These are the zinnia seedlings I have sowed few days ago. I want to transplant it in this container. This container is ready with the potting soil. There is no hard and fast rule for the potting soil. You can choose according to the availability. For this particular mix, I have used coco peat, then vermicompost and a soil. Combination of these three in an appropriate proportion I have used. In future I will update about the potting mix required for different types of the plants. So for this particular zinnia plant I have used 1:1:1 proportion of vermicompost, soil and coconut coir or coco peat block. The first step is to loosen the coco peat so that the plant roots get separated. Coco peat is a soft material. The second step is transplanting the plant. So I have completely separated this plant from the coco peat. You can see the roots visible here. I have transplanted these seedlings without hurting the roots. Immediately after transplanting, water these seedlings thoroughly so that proper growth is ensured. So viewers, in today's video we have seen the transplanting of these seedlings, germination process and transplanting of these seedlings. I will transplant these remaining seedlings in a pot, in a vial. I have separated them along with the roots. Here you can see this is the sunflower transplant that I have done here in this pot. Then these are the Gilardias that have germinated, Gilardia seeds. I will transplant them also in a proper size of a container. Few seeds are yet to germinate, so again I have for germination I have potted these sunflower seeds in this coco peat and waiting for the germination. So this is for today's video. If you have liked my video, please press thumbs up button, please click the like button and please subscribe to my channel.